Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make all calls go to voicemail on iPhone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we can go ahead and turn on Do Not Disturb. Okay, this feature silences all incoming calls and routes them immediately to your voicemail without ringing your phone. So let's go ahead and open up Control Center. And then once you're in here, find Focus. You're going to want to tap on Focus and then tap on Do Not Disturb. Okay, it says here, silence all notifications. Just basically turn it on. And then after that, actually, you're good to go. If you want to do more, well, let's go ahead and try to adjust focus call settings. As by default, Do Not Disturb might still allow calls from your favorite contacts or repeated callers. Well, you must go ahead and disable this feature. Go ahead and go to Settings, just like so. Open it up, then find Focus right here. Tap on it, and then again, Do Not Disturb. Okay. Now, in this section, tap People, and then tap Allow Calls from, change it to Allowed People Only. But if you do have the option, Don't Allow Anybody, well, go ahead and turn it on. So for this example, let's just go ahead and try to use Allowed People Only. Then go ahead and add in the people that you wanted to allow. And those people that is not in the list will not be able to call you, and their calls will be directed to voicemail. I hope that's clear. Now we have here the option Allow Repeated Calls. Okay. You should go ahead and disable this one as well. So persistent callers cannot break through the silence. And then once that's done, go back to Settings, back once more, back, Settings. Okay. Now once you're in here, go ahead and go to the top, use the search bar and type down unknown. All right. And you'll find silence unknown callers from phone or even FaceTime if you want to. So make sure that this one is enabled. Toggle it on so that saved contacts will still ring, but unknown numbers go straight to voicemail. And those are 3 ways to make all calls go to voicemail on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.